and welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, it's Thathi wants nothing to do with her family after they chose Phumlani over him. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 2nd to the 5th of May 2022 on Monday. Sibongile falls for an old sugar daddy chick. Stompi and Stumo wreak havoc in Gomora on Tuesday. Sibongile lies about where she got her new phone. Thathi refuses to speak to Gugu. Bongani gets fired for not doing his job on Wednesday. Thathi shows her teeth. Bongani disappoints Zodwa and the kids. Gladys connect with Ntokozo. It's over on Thursday. Sibonga loses his taxi or a new taxi. Sonto offers a reward for information of the looting. Mr. Libalo tells Sibongile she is a disappointment on Friday. Thathi orders Stombi to hijack rich men. Stumo informs Sonto that Thathi orders the looting. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.